Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Coco Rene and I am back with another video. If you're still watching this video, I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers. It's time for a giveaway. So all you have to do is subscribe to my channel and comment on my most popular video. And today's video is just gonna be like chit chat vlog. It's a gloomy day today, so I was like, let me just get some clips in the morning. But I came to record this because I'm trying to upload my last video that I made, but I don't have enough space. So the plan was to send it to an editor on Fiverr to have someone edit this video. I'm a little frustrated with that, but I'm gonna get that together. So if you've seen this video, that means my other video's up. So loving this camera. If y'all out there looking for a good startup YouTube camera, yes, you can use your phone. Like I said before, I started out with my iPhone 7. Make sure you get the M50 in the 16 Sigma lens. I was undecided on what lens I was gonna get. It was between the 16 Sigma or the 22 millimeter. Do I really want this Sigma? Like, am I really about to just go and record? Like, is it really worth it? It was out of stock. No choice but to get the 22 millimeter because I really wanted this background blur that you're seeing right now outside, and you get the lights on, like you have the stream lights, and it just has this nice the blurry background, smooth like butter video. I got that from the 22 millimeter, but like I said in my last video, it's just so cropped and primes. That means you cannot zoom in or zoom out.
Tata is still speaking on the situation. She went live on Instagram and stated that CJ is the one that set her up.
So the wig is bleached a little bit. What do you think, guys? My first time bleaching knots. I think it's like a little orangey, but I don't know. Did I do it right, y'all? I think I did it right. It's giving me scalp. Let me know. Leave a comment